So hello everyone, my name is Vanshika and I am currently pursuing Ptech in Computer Science and Engineering from DIT University, Dehradun. So I am attending this technical training from January 2023 and it's been a great learning experience. So in the initial training part was our DSA and I got to know a lot of concepts on new concepts of DSA, as well as I was able to brush up on all the previous concepts, and I also was able to practice a lot of questions around it, so that was really good. And then the second part of the training was this advanced technical training in which it was around MERN, and I'm really and highly thankful to Amit Sir because he teaches all those concepts which you cannot usually find on YouTube as well, because I was also pursuing MERN before this training and I wasn't able to figure out all these concepts on YouTube. So that was a very great experience for me. So overall it was quite a nice experience and I'm really thankful to Skill Risers. Thank you.